Today is Wednesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Are you ready to start your English journey? Sit on your wooden chair or sit on a bench. Take a deep breath. Now we begin. English is a language. People speak English every day. You can learn English step by step. Do not be afraid. Mistakes are normal. When you speak, you grow. Say simple words first. Hello. How are you? I am fine. Repeat every day. Practice makes you strong. Listen carefully. You can hear sounds. English sounds are important. Open your mouth and speak. Do not stay silent. Try again and again. Your voice matters. Learn new words daily. For example, book, pen, table. Use these words in sentences. I have a book. The pen is blue. The table is big. Look around you. Name the objects. This is learning. Speak with friends. Ask simple questions. Answer with confidence. Little steps make big progress. Do not stop. Keep moving forward. Your English will improve. One day, you will speak easily. Believe in yourself. Your journey starts now. Today is a new day. You wake up early. The sun is rising. The light is soft and warm. You open your eyes. You smile. You feel ready. You say, I am learning English. You say it again. I am learning English. You stand up slowly. You walk to the window. You look outside. You see people. You see cars. You see life moving. You are part of this world, and now you are learning a new language. You go to the kitchen. You drink water. You eat simple food. You say the words water, food, cup, table. You repeat them again. You take your phone. You open your English lesson. You read slowly. 1 word, 2 words, 3 words. Do not hurry. Take your time. You listen to simple sentences. You repeat after the voice. Hello. Good morning. How are you today? You answer, I am fine, thank you. You feel good. You feel proud. Learning is not fast. Learning is a journey. You walk step by step. Every step is important. Now you try to speak alone. You look at yourself in the mirror. You say, my name is. You say, I live in. You say, I like English. Your voice is not perfect. That is okay. You try again. You speak again. Mistakes come. You accept them. Mistakes help you learn. Now you take a notebook. You write simple words. Day, night, sun, moon. You write simple sentences. The sun is bright. The night is calm. You read what you write. You read it again. Reading helps your brain. Writing helps your memory. Now you go outside. You walk slowly. You see a man. You see a woman. You see a child. You think in English. Man, woman, child. You see a dog. You see a tree. You see a road. You say the words in your mind. This is practice. This is learning everywhere. You do not need a classroom. The world is your classroom. Now you meet a friend. You try to speak English. Hello, my friend. How are you? Maybe your friend smiles. Maybe your friend answers. Do not be shy. Speak with courage. Even small words are powerful. Now you go back home. You sit again. You relax. You listen to English again. You hear new words. Some words are easy. Some words are new. Do not stop. Keep listening. Your brain is working. Your ears are learning. At night, you think about your day. You remember the words. You remember the sounds. You feel happy. You say, "Today I learned." You say, "Tomorrow I will learn more." You close your eyes. You rest your body. But your journey continues. Day after day, you improve. Little by little, you grow. One day you will speak clearly. One day you will understand easily. This day will come. Keep going. Keep trying. Keep believing. Your English journey is alive. Today is another day. You wake up again. You feel a little stronger. Your English is growing, slowly but surely. You sit quietly. You take a deep breath. You start again. You say, "Good morning." You say, "I am ready." Your voice is clearer now. Your words are easier. You remember yesterday. You remember the words. You remember the sounds. This is progress. You open your notebook. You read your sentences. The sun is bright. The night is calm. You smile. You understand more. Now you add new sentences. I like to learn. I like to speak. I like to try. You repeat them many times. Repetition is your friend. You listen again. You hear simple conversations. Hello. Where are you? I am at home. You repeat slowly, then faster. Your mouth moves better now. Your tongue feels free. You are not afraid. Now you try something new. You speak without reading. You look around. You describe your room. This is my room. This is my bed. This is my door. You stop. You think. You continue. This is my bag. This is my phone. Good. Very good. You are building sentences alone. Now you ask questions. What is this? Where is my pen? Who is there? You answer yourself. This is a book. My pen is here. My friend is there. You are speaking more. You are thinking in English. This is a big step. You go outside again. The world is still your classroom. You see new things. You learn new words. Street, shop, market. You try to use them. I go to the shop. The market is busy. The street is long. You are learning from life. Now you listen to people. Maybe they speak English. Maybe you understand a little. That is okay. Understanding comes slowly. You do not stop. At home, you watch a simple video. You listen carefully. You repeat short sentences. Pause, listen, repeat. Again and again. Your ears are stronger now. Now you try to write more. I wake up early. I drink water. I study English. You write your day. This is your story. Every day, a new story. You read your story aloud. You hear your voice. You feel proud again. Now, you make a small plan. Today, learn 5 words. Tomorrow, learn 5 more. Small goals are good. You follow your plan. You stay consistent. Days pass. You change. Your English becomes part of you. You are not a beginner only. You are a learner. You are a speaker. One day, someone asks you, "Do you speak English?" You smile. You answer, "Yes, I do." Maybe your English is simple, but it is clear and it is yours. Keep going. Your journey is beautiful. Today, you wake up with energy. You feel something new inside you. You are more confident. You sit down. You smile. You begin again. You say, "I can speak English." You say it again. "I can speak English." Your voice is stronger now. Your mind is clearer. You remember many words. You use them easily. Now you try longer sentences. I wake up early every day. I drink water and eat food. I study English in the morning. Good. You are improving. You read a short text. You understand many words. Some words are still new. That is okay. You guess the meaning. You continue reading. You do not stop for every word. This is smart learning. Now you listen again. This time you understand more. You hear, "What are you doing?" "I am reading." You repeat, "I am reading." Now you change the sentence. I am speaking. I am learning. I am trying. You are playing with English. This is good practice. Now you speak about your day. Today I wake up early. I study English. I go outside. I see many people. You speak slowly, but you do not stop. You continue. I feel happy. I learn new words. I try every day. Very good. Now you ask more questions. What do I need? Where do I go? Why do I learn English? You answer, I need practice. I go step by step. I learn English for my future. Your answers are simple, but they are strong. Now you talk to someone, maybe a friend, maybe online. You say, "Hello, how are you?" You ask, "What is your name?" You listen to the answer. You understand more than before. You reply, "Nice to meet you." This is real communication. You are using English in life. Now you read again, but this time faster. Your eyes move quickly. Your brain understands quickly. This is progress. Now you write again. Today is a good day. I feel strong. I learn English every day. You write more lines. I make mistakes, but I learn. I speak, and I improve. You read your writing aloud. Your voice is smooth. Now you listen to yourself. You correct small errors. This is how you grow. Now you learn new expressions. Good job. Well done. Keep going. You use them. You say to yourself, good job. You say, keep going. You encourage yourself. This is important. Now you relax. You watch something simple in English. You enjoy it. You understand parts of it. You feel happy again. At night, you think about your journey. Before, English was difficult. Now it is easier. Before, you were afraid. Now you are brave. This is your change. You are proud of yourself. You say, I am learning. You say, I am growing. Tomorrow you will continue because this journey never stops. Step by step, day by day, you become better. And one day, you will speak English with confidence, with joy, and with freedom. Keep going.